I just bought this Lenovo USB C adapter. It has a 4K HDMI port, 3 USB A ports, a SD card reader, a TF card reader, and 1 USB C port. Has a hologram there in the box, so you know it's authentic. Some copyright stuff there. And this is what the back of the box looks like. It says made in China, and I think it says UK there because I bought it in the UK. It could be some other reason why they put UK there, but I imagine it's because of that. And so I'm going to open this up now. So I've taken all the cellophane off the box now, cut this, and I'm going to take it out now for the first time. So the top part of it is aluminium, the sides are aluminium, and the bottom is plastic, and it has these like 2 rubber feet here as well to stop it from slipping around if it's on a tabletop or something like that. Has a TF card reader there, SD card, 2 USB sockets, that's a HDMI socket there, 1 more USB and a USB-C ports there. Comes with these booklets. It's cold, so I think it's metal. Comes with this. And it's a nice kind of bag for it. Put it in that room. I've heard some people complain about these USB-C adapters. They say that when they plug it into the MacBook Pro, the Wi-Fi signal drops out, but as you can see, this is plugged in and the Wi-Fi signal is still on. I haven't had any dropouts, and I've transferred lots of files from my Samsung hard drive to the MacBook Pro, and there's been no dropouts so far, so far so good. And I should say that this is the latest 2017 MacBook Pro. There may be a problem with the 2016 models, I'm not sure, but so far on this one it's totally fine. The Wi-Fi signal hasn't dropped out at all. And I'll update this video if I do find any issues with this adapter, but so far it's working fine. So I'm happy with my purchase. So that's it really. Thanks for watching, and bye bye.